Hello, this is Cheryl from LandPack. Today I'm going to show you how to put the roll film on the machine. And during this process, what problems we met. Okay, now let's go started. Now put the roll film on this stick. And we need to put this bottom out and roll it. And this part will go up to press the roll film to make it stable. And we need to lock it and put it back. Now we need to put this film, go through this row here. And during this time, let me show you. Each machine will have this picture over here to show you how to put the roll film on the machine and make it stable and run smoothly. And we need to put this bottom to the right place. And put the film together and make the film like this. And put it into this place. Put it into this place. These two wheels. And put it to left to lock it. And now we need to roll the film to make it tight. After we put the roll film on the machine. Okay. And after put the roll film on the machine, this one can move now. And now we need to lock here. Lock here, so this one cannot move. To make sure this film is straight and flat. Okay. Okay, now we need to put your product on here, and we need to move this bottom to let this back former to suitable for your product. We need to move this button to make the back former is suitable for your product to let your product go through. And now it's okay. And after that, we can try to testing the machine and let the film to go. And after that, we put the bottom to let the film go a little bit. Then we need to put this bottom to the right to put this film in this wheel, in the middle of this wheel, and lock it again. Turn it to the left to lock it. Now we're starting to let the film go. And now you can see this ceiling part is not very perfect, so we still need to adjust the machine. Okay, now we need to lose this screw to adjust the views on the ceiling part.
如果係擰唔開，即係轉唔到話，可以打開呢個嚟轉，慢慢轉。轉完之後就卡緊，跟住呢度再鎖翻緊佢。
While adjust the ceiling part, we can also put this button to the right to lose a little bit, then we adjust it. Now we test it again to run this machine.
跟住呢個輪咧仲係唔得嘅，係嘛？所以就按照呢個咁樣嚟調。
Now we do the same thing, also loose here to adjust this ceiling part. After adjusted, we can move the machine again and run it. 呢個
而家咧就差唔多㗎啦，但係咧仲係一邊高一邊低㗎嘛。所以就用到呢一個。
等陣先，你講俾我聽先。Okay, so now we can see this ceiling part. One side is higher, one side is lower, and in this time we can adjust here this button to turn it.
往左邊。
Turn it to left to adjust the film. Now we can test it again.
要等佢走上嚟先得。依家係好快喎。
Okay, and now we can see this two part is in the same level. It means this is work. Here. And we can keep running the machine. Okay, now you can see this middle ceiling part. If you have any requirements about packing machine or you have any needs about packing machine, feel free to contact us. LandPack will always provide you the best solution.